Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today we are going to discuss the meaning of Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum is an Arabic sentence and is a greeting in Islam. Let us learn the meaning of the full term Assalamu alaikum. Assalam is an Arabic word and is amongst the 99 names of Allah, which means the giver of peace or the source of peace. Allah is the giver of peace. Alaikum means upon you. Thus, Assalamu alaikum becomes peace be upon you in English. You might often heard Muslims greeting you as Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let us now learn the full term Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum, as discussed, is peace be upon you. Wa is and in English. Rahmat means mercy. Allahi is Allah. Wa again means and barakatuh means blessings. So Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh stands for peace be upon you and mercy of Allah and His blessings. Avoid using these short forms for Assalamu alaikum. ASK, ASKLM, ASKUM, because they doesn't stand for Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum has Assalam, the name of Allah. So we should respect that and we should use the full term Assalamu alaikum, Assalamu alaikum, or Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you have understood the meaning of Assalamu alaikum and the full term Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Please like this video, share with your friends and family members, and please subscribe to our channel.